I am continuing to grow my plants. Here's the tomatoes and tomatillos, and I've got some lettuce growing back there, and some zinnias, and a whole bunch of stuff. Far too many tomatoes. But anyway, the reason I wanted to make this video is because I'm trying a new growing medium. It's called PittMoss, which is an odd name, but it's paper, like recycled paper that they've blended with some nutrients and kind of made it into a texture that's pretty much like peat moss. And the reason that I'm interested in it is because peat moss is actually peat, which is dug out of bogs, and it's not really very renewable. These bogs have been around for ages, and they dig the peat out of it, and then it takes forever for peat to build up again. So rather than use up that, why not use a recyclable material like paper? So I decided to try it. It's a newish company. They've got it online, so I had to order it from online. And I guess they've gone to trade shows and stuff, but there's none in stores yet around here. I'd like to try and get it in some stores, like some nurseries. But anyway, it seems to grow things pretty well. These tomatoes have been in this. I transplanted them into it, but they've been in it for like 2.5 weeks, and they're growing really well. It holds water. It holds moisture actually better than peat moss, in my opinion. It doesn't get soggy. It's just kind of the nice soil level of dampness that you want for plants, especially vegetables. And I don't know, it's working. I've got some younger plants in here. These are some sunflowers, and I planted those in pit moss last week, and they seem to be growing very well. Yeah, and overall I like it. And that's my newest experiment in plants. Anyway, I will try to plant these in the ground sometime in the next 2 weeks so they can stop outgrowing their containers.